G'day everyone, welcome back to another video, and we've got the whole tribe with us today. All three of the kids. We're going for a school holiday camp, and we're going to go camp on the Avon River, somewhere I've never been before. Do a bit of 4-wheel driving, do a bit of trout fishing, and hopefully we get a nice spot to set up. So, on our way. There we go, there's the Avon River. I will definitely be doing a river crossing on this trip, but... Cool. Going down to have a look at this. There's a river crossing down here. That's beautiful, isn't it? Hey, where's the road? Yeah, there it is. There's the road there. This is really cool. That'd be a good place to camp, wouldn't it? People camp here. Look, there's a camp spot right here. You could set your tent up right here. This is a nice spot. Look at this for swimming, fishing. This could be the spot, I reckon. Yeah, this camp spot down here. Let's have a look at this one. Down we go. Nice spot for a campfire right here. Plenty of firewood. Alright, well let's go have a look. Not bad. Alright, let's go have a look at the river. Wow, look at this. It's good for swimming. Oh look, you have a big beach we can walk up and down. Can cross to the other side. You can go exploring, there's ducks. So it's decided we're going to camp here. This will be a home camp, but you know, we can fish here. If we don't have any luck, we can go fish back over there. What do you reckon, guys? Yeah. Yep. Well, while we're setting up camp and the kids are here playing, I might as well chuck a line in with a worm. Because here we go, big fat juicy worm. Ooh. There's the worm. I'm going to cast it in.
And catch a fish.
And hopefully, careful Elisha, back up.
Look at this rock.
And that can land there. So Rod, who I buy my rods from, and he also fixes my rods, he gave me a bunch of lures. And this is really cool. So, yeah. So have a look at these soft plastics here. I reckon this might be something a trout would like to jump on. That's upstream, so I'm going to cast upstream. Jesus, beautiful here. I'll have a cast. You never know. Be nice to catch on to something. It looks fishy in here, doesn't it? How you guys going? Caught any fish? Yeah, shall we go walk all the way over there, see what's over there? Alright Ethan, here. Go. Reel it fast in. You've got to reel it fast in.
Why?
Because then it gives the movement of a fish swimming and the fish will come. Oh! Oh!
Keep doing it.
Oh my goodness. Did you see that big fish?
Yeah.
What was that? Was that a carp or a trout? Yeah.
That looked like a trout.
We can go.
Can you...
Oh, too far. You went into the... That was a really good cast. You actually went all the way. Wheel in, see what happens if it's stuck in the... What have you got there? Is that... It's a deer hair, I think. Nice cast, Ethan. So why don't we all go for a swim, and then we go set up camp and have some lunch. And then we can come down for fishing in the evening. Yeah, you can go over there, but you can go yourself actually, because you're big. But I'm going to take the kids swimming over there, and then we're going to go set up, okay?
I don't like swimming.
Far out, what a nice, beautiful place to swim, eh? Beautiful little sandy section to swim. I'm going in. Whoa! What do you reckon, Emma?
It's fun. It's cold but fun. It's cold but fun.
I hope we catch a fish.
Yeah.
I reckon if we're going to catch a fish, I reckon it's not going to be a lure. It'll be on a worm and it'll be in the evening. That's when we're going to catch a fish. On the float. Oh look, Galah. Go in the water.
It's steep.
Alright, back at the car. So we're going to set up the tent now and get camp set up. What do you reckon, guys?
Yes.
Do it.
No.
Okay. Do you guys want to have lunch in the shade?
Yeah.
Bit of ham
He
and
doesn't like it.
ham and cheese for lunch. Camp set up, and then it'll be back to the river for fishing and swimming. I honestly reckon the best time to fish here will be in the evening. There's definitely fish in there. We saw stuff before. How you going, mate? You going fishing? Emma's over there. Well, fishing luck is not going so well, so why not just sit and have some snacks? Daddy can have a daddy snack.
Yeah.
Maybe in the evening we'll get some fish, hey? But let's just enjoy time in the sun, time by a river. It is really nice. So just want to say, for those of you who have watched Luke's Little Tribe in the past, you probably remember how much effort I put into the production of the videos using my good camera and stuff like that. And they were some really good days. I'm really proud of some of those videos I've made. I'm not really doing that on this channel anymore, just for the fact that it's exhausting, especially camping with the 3 kids. Trying to set up, you know, the good camera on the tripod for every single shot. It's just exhausting, and I don't end up enjoying the trip with the kids as much. So being able to do this on the GoPro is a lot easier. I'm more engaged, having fun with the kids. And look, it's not going to be a kind of a high production type video, but it's memories for the kids, and whoever wants to watch this can watch this. You know, the Bearded Bushranger is where I put a lot of my energy and focus now, that channel. And this channel now is just about enjoying my time with the kids and creating memories and making little videos here and there. So yeah, that's why you see Luke's Little Tribe. I don't post often anymore, and also why I'm pretty much filming everything on the GoPro just to make it easier. Anyway, I think it's time to get dressed, and got plenty of firewood, so we're gonna have a good fire tonight. Start getting ready for the fire. So get all dry stuff first, crumble it there in a pile. Then get sticks, break off sticks, and load the sticks on top, so that we're going to get ready. And I want you to light the fire, Ethan. Collected your sticks. Come light the match closer. Under there, see it's going to go out. You got to make it get under there, yeah. All right, now start building up the sticks and even more leaves.
Okay.
Come over here, I'll show you. Let's start cooking.
Down came a jumbuck to drink
At the billabong.
as he shoved that jumbuck in his tucker bag.
What's going on with you two? Look at this, we've got a brawl going on. Hey! Hey! Look at all the feathers. Those 2 galahs were having a fight. They were having a blue, weren't they?
What's a blue?
A blue is a fight. Emma's getting into the Fanta.
Raining on the rock. What an almighty sight to see. His master doesn't whistle tunes. He's not in the mood. His love of open spaces runs too deep.
We're getting bites. We are faster. Oh. Ah, it came off. I thought you had a fish on there. All right, let's try again. Well, we thought we were going to catch some fish, but we just got nibbles, but we didn't actually get anything. So time to roast some marshmallows, and then we'll go to bed. What do you reckon, Elisha?
Good.
Good. It's about 5:45 in the morning. Kids are still sleeping. But I thought I'd go down and have a little fish since we almost caught fish last night. But maybe I'll catch something this morning.
I couldn't find the stuff to light a fire.
Yeah, let's get a nice fire going. Good idea. Ethan, what have you done? Pyromaniac.
Look at all the leaves.
Dog and gun coffee in the morning?
There's no dog.
No, there's no dogs. Just the dog here and the dog and gun coffee. Well, no luck fishing. We tried. It wasn't really a good fishing trip this one, but we had fun. So we're going to pack up because the rain is on its way. There's a fair bit of rain falling today. I've had a bad ear infection all week, and that's playing up again. So it's kind of, I'm definitely at like 60%, 50% right now. But we're going to do some 4-wheel driving, and that's going to be fun. That'll top the trip off. So I'm going to pack up and get on going. When you go camping and you pack everything in the car, it's all organised. When it's time to go home, it's always a mess, isn't it? Let's put that fire out, guys, and go for some 4-wheel driving. So you don't burn your feet. I might just put the air pressure down because we'll be going over some very rocky tracks. Okay, so the aim is to go along a Mount Angus track, which is a bit of a hill climb, and then that goes down to Huggett's track, which will go to Huggett's Crossing, which will be a river crossing. Hopefully the river crossing is not too deep. The river level right now is pretty low, so I reckon we'll be fine. Just because I obviously don't have a snorkel on this car, but well, a bit bumpy, guys. So let's hold on for a bit of a bumpy track. This is the Mount Angus track. Let's do it.
Imagine someone just drifted in there.
It's a pretty good track. Not so bad, is it?
Yeah.
Good, decent uphill. Here we go. Oh, she has stayed this one. Wow. What a cool. Do you want to get out of the car and have a look? It's warm. That is beautiful. Alright, down we go to the river. So it'll be interesting how we go down here. Alright, here we go. Let's see what the river crossing is like. Oh, easy. Easy peasy. Go up in the car, Emma, let's cross. Well, that's it for this video. Unfortunately, my GoPro froze on the river crossing. You get the point. It was great just to find some good places on the Avon River. This place here, I think it's called Dermody's Campground, looks awesome. I wish we had camped here. So that's a good tip for anyone who wants to check this out. Come to Dermody's Campground because you can camp right on the river. Otherwise, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it.